it's not very easy to organize such events, in particular in a small town like Sigatoka. We have, of course, people like Adish, who's here sitting with us, who himself is part of a musical group. But organizing this, getting all the talent together is not easy. None of this, of course, can happen without somebody actually having an idea, a vision, a goal to put it together. And that obviously gets assisted by the fact that you have sponsors. And I see some of our friends here, of course, from Sydney, who sponsored the events, and many others who are here who sponsored it. Many of the people who may remember Fiji back in the 70s and 80s, these types of events were a lot more common and a lot more popular. Of course, many of these have stopped happening because of various political events, people moving out, people not being around, and our towns become a lot smaller. But we can actually see a general sense of revival, if you like. Last night I was at a boxing event in Nandi, which was in fact organized by a former Fijian who lives now in Canada. And without his input and sponsorship, it would not have happened. Similarly, we've seen, of course, we've got sponsors here who are former Fijians who live overseas now, and without their input, of course, some of these could not actually have happened at all. So let's appreciate that. Please enjoy your night. I like listening to good music and good songs, and I'm sure all of you do. And let's put an effort to, in fact, revive these types of events. I'd like to appreciate, in particular, those Fijians who left Fiji and are coming back. In particular, the younger generation who are showing a lot more interest. They've now, children and grandchildren are showing a lot of interest in Fiji, and it's good to have that. It's obviously always very good to be back in Sigatoka. I've just had a press conference in Suva about something completely different, so I've just had to do a bit of a mood change in respect of fitting into this environment. But ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again. I'd like to thank the organizers for the invitation. I would not have missed it. Unfortunately, I could not come earlier, but I wish you all a very good evening. Naka, thank you.
उन्होंने गाना गाया और आज भी गा रहे हैं, इसके लिए उसको अलग से दिया जा रहा है।